fabulous family home in an enviable location. Imagine the perfect location, backing parkland and the South Pine River. Total privacy, a tropical backdrop, saltwater pool and two spacious decks enjoying the desirable northerly aspect. Designed to accommodate family living, this fantastic home provides a separate rumpus room and spacious formal living. My favourite area is the casual living area, which incorporates a spacious dining room which adjoins the stunning modern kitchen with excellent storage space, stone bench tops, Smeg appliances and room for a double fridge stroke freezer. Upstairs, discover 5 genuine bedrooms, yes 5, including the master suite. There's also a designated study area which would be great as a home office or for the children to do their homework.